I like to free up my brain capacity with the help of lists. So when I've written down the things I need to remember, I can free up my two brain cells for other tasks. For example, we just had a first birthday party, and organizing a party, especially in the middle of everyday chaos, can sometimes be a challenge. Sometimes it feels like it's a lot to do, and if I don't know where to start, I start with a list. It can be on my phone or computer. I write down all the steps and things to consider in chronological order so I know I won't forget anything. And I can reuse the same list for the next party. I uploaded my party planning checklist to my website. Go download it as an Excel file or save it as a Google Sheet. Personally, I like the Google Sheet format because I can edit it on my phone if something comes to mind and I don't have a computer nearby. I'd love to hear any suggestions to improve my party planning list. Leave a comment if you have any ideas.